Hi, my name is Amandeep. I work for multiple B2B SaaS companies, and recently I have worked for an accounting firm. For them, I have created software AI voice agent for them so that they do not miss a call, lead generation system so that they can do a cold campaign, and they have generated around 22,000 revenue in just a couple of months for adopting a automation. And I have created a voice agent for an HVAC company so they do not miss a single call, and it is working for them 24 by 7, and they have generated the 52,000 revenue in just 4 months. I am working for an salon company. This I have generated them for them a content creation system, and so that they can upgrade the every social media platform within minutes. So this is a little about me. I'm here to show you that I am working in multiple Anit and no-code tools like the Claude code are in the Anit N. So I have created the multiple workflows inside it, the schedules, contact from HubSpot, sales alert, voice agent, talent multi-content engine, email autoresponder. So there are multiple workflows that I have created. So now I will show you their working. This is the workflow that I have created for a content engine publisher for the salon company, that whenever they insert any picture, it will insert any picture or data, if and then it will automatically publish into the multi social multimedia social media platforms, like LinkedIn, Instagram, or Facebook, or TikTok, or any Snapchat, or wherever, whatever they want. So we can automatically publish it onto the multiple platforms. So this is the voice agent booking system. Over here, when anybody calls through the WebP, when anybody calls, and then it will execute this webhook trigger, this webhook, and it will go through this flow and ask for that what the intent. It will check the intent of the user. If the user want to cancel the appointment, reschedule, or call log start, whatever they want, then the first work is the it will enter the call log over here, so that we have the, if for any reason the customer ended the call, or a silence timeout, or any hang up the call for any reason, technical any reason will help, then we will have their phone number, and we know that from where they had calling. So we have the error log if there is any error during the happened during the call. And this is the booking. If the booking is done, reschedule, confirmed, or cancelled, this is the automatically sheet is updated through this voice agent. So here we have the sheets that is the operating during the call. So there are modules that we have the availability to check the availability, if the customer have to book the appointment. So first of all, they will check the this is the sub book appointment, then check the calendar for the availability. If they have a available slot is available, then create an event inside the calendar and append the row inside the sheet that this person booked for this one date. And if you want to use any of CRM or any of other database, over here we can use Airtable database or Superbase, or anything over here, whatever the customer likes according to the customer uses. So this is the cancel appointment. If they want to cancel, then we look it up to the sheet that and check that the records, particular records, basis on the email ID or basis on the phone number. Then it will delete the event from the calendar and update the sheet afterwards, and update the call log that in the success response afterwards. So this is the basically qualifying lead, that if whenever you are getting any lead, so check whether this lead is actually a customer who is interested in our services or not. So this model is simple and straightforward. Here I have created the proposals. This is the animated proposal, and I love this, and multiple companies also love this, because it is a proposal that we have generated in minutes, and it has the basic features that we can sign over here, acceptance criteria. We have everything like what are the scope of the project, what is the timeline, what at which date you are, and it most importantly, it has the background changed according to the company, according to your client that which you are looking. If I am working with the client who is the accounting firm, it will change automatically the background according to the accounting, and it change the terminology of the accounting firm. And if I'm working with the salon company, then it will change the colors and everything according to the salon company. So it will there are multiple tabs, so you can go anywhere tab in any tabs if you would like to, like scope of the work here, what the scopes we have over here. And then if in terms of engagement, what is the, if we know the acceptance criteria, that we need to write down the names, we need to write down our signatures, save signatures, and just that's it, and proposal is done. So within seconds, if you are on a call with the client and client accepts your proposal and attempts that he is ready with the project to need to be done with you, then you can send your proposal within seconds, just to modify the little bit of things, just to modify the customize your amount and name of the customer and the address and their problem. You need to just state these three things inside this one, and it will generate the whole proposal within seconds. So this is really very nice thing for that. And I have created this inside the Claude Code. I have created multiple things like multiple artifacts, a job hunt. I have created the multiple artifacts inside the Claude Code. Yeah, I can show you that I have created pipelines inside the GHL, create the funnel sites for a dental company. So I have worked for multiple no code to low code tools. So whenever I can definitely add value to your business. So definitely please call me and send me a message. I will definitely add value to your business, and I'm an ideal candidate for your what you are looking for. Thank you for your time. Thank you for having me, and thank you so much.